Are you locked in an epic battle of wills with a tiny human who thinks broccoli is a weapon? Listen, I've been there, done that, got the stained t-shirt. But guess what? We're about to drop some serious picky eater knowledge bombs that'll turn your mealtimes from a nightmare into a freaking picnic. We're talking healthy meals so good, your kids won't even realize they're eating something that's actually good for them. Let's do this. First up, we're gonna unleash the power of the sneaky smoothie. This ain't your average smoothie, people. We're talking about transforming those leafy green veggies that send your kid running for the hills into a delicious fruity masterpiece. Grab your blender because we're about to make magic happen. We're talking spinach, frozen bananas for that creamy sweetness, some protein-packed Greek yogurt, and a handful of juicy strawberries. Blend it all up until it's smooth like butter, and bam! You've got yourself a vibrant pink drink that looks just like a strawberry milkshake. Pop in a fun straw, call it the superhero shake, and watch those nutrients disappear. Next up, we're tapping into the psychology of tiny humans. Ever notice how kids go crazy for anything miniature? Well, the same goes for their food. We're talking about cutting those sandwiches into fun shapes like stars or hearts, or rolling up turkey and cheese slices into adorable little pinwheels. Trust me, something magical happens when you present the same food in a smaller, more playful way. It's like their brains are hardwired to think, mini food must be fun to eat. Don't ask me to explain the science behind it, but it works like a charm. All right, parents, it's time to unleash the power of choice. Kids love feeling in control, right? So let's give them what they want with a healthy twist. We're talking about creating epic snack boards that are bursting with colorful, nutritious options. Think fruits of all shapes and sizes, whole grain crackers, little cubes of cheese, hummus, you name it. The key here is variety. Spread it all out on a big platter, let your little ones pick and choose their favorites, and watch them go to town. Bonus points if they try something new. Let's be real, getting kids to eat their veggies can feel like an Olympic sport sometimes. But fear not, because I'm about to share my secret weapon, the hidden veggie pasta. We're going undercover, people. Grab your favorite jar of pasta sauce and get ready to add a secret ingredient, pureed veggies. That's right, we're talking about blending up carrots, cauliflower, zucchini, whatever you've got, until it's smooth and undetectable. Mix it into your pasta sauce, sprinkle on some cheese, and boom. You've got a nutrient-packed meal that tastes like pure cheesy goodness. Your kids will be none the wiser. This next one is all about tapping into that playful energy that kids have in spades. We're talking about turning those healthy fruits into edible works of art. Grab a plate, some slices of banana, a few colorful berries, and a dollop of peanut butter. Now let your imagination run wild as you create silly faces, funny animals, or whatever tickles your fancy. The best part? Kids can't resist a good time, and they definitely can't resist something that's almost too cute to eat. Who says pancakes are just for breakfast? We're taking this classic to the next level with pancake skewers. It's breakfast, it's a snack, it's fun to eat. It's the trifecta of kid-friendly food. Whip up a batch of mini pancakes, grab some fresh fruit and your favorite yogurt dip. Thread those goodies onto skewers and watch those little eyes light up. There's just something irresistible about food on a stick, am I right? Last but not least, we're going for a burst of color and crunch with these crunchy rainbow wraps. We're talking about colorful bell peppers, crunchy carrots, juicy cucumbers, all wrapped up in a soft tortilla with a smear of creamy goodness. The key here is to make it visually appealing. Kids eat with their eyes first, so let's give them a feast for the senses. Roll it up tight, slice it into bite-sized pieces, and watch those rainbows disappear. There you have it, folks. 7 epic meals that'll have your picky eaters saying, "More, please." Remember, it's all about getting creative, having fun, and maybe sneaking in a few healthy ingredients when they're not looking. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to share your funniest picky eater stories too. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more awesome parenting hacks every single week. Until next time, stay awesome.